Welcome to the St-Boniface Hospital Albrechtsen Research Center. This 96,000 square foot facility opened in 1987 and remains one of the finest research centers in Canada. Located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, the center is home to the Institute of Cardiovascular Sciences, the Canadian Centre for Agri-Food Research in Health and Medicine, the Division of Neurodegenerative and Neurodevelopmental Disorders, the Youth Biolab Jeunesse, and clinical research. The facility features a 200-seat auditorium and a central atrium that hosts dozens of events, symposiums, and trade shows. It also includes a youth education laboratory, an animal holding facility, and an administrative office.
Welcome to the Canadian Centre for Agri-Food Research in Health and Medicine, also known as CCARM. CCARM is the first nutraceutical and functional food research team in Canada. It began as a provincial initiative in 2001 and became national in 2006 when Agriculture and Agri-Food Canada joined under the leadership of Dr. Grant Pierce. Starting with only 3 principal research investigators, we now have 16. Each manages a laboratory in the St. Boniface Hospital Albrechtsen Research Center and in the I.H. Asper Clinical Research Institute.
The mandate of CCARM is to investigate the health benefits of agri-food products and their constituents. Researchers focus on how these products affect metabolic disorders, cardiovascular disease, and hepatic or renal diseases. CCARM is unique because of its location on a hospital campus and its affiliations with the University of Manitoba and Agriculture and Agri-Food Canada. Each laboratory includes standard features such as a cell culture room, a fume hood, and personnel workspaces. There is also a student room for quiet study. 2 equipment rooms are shared by all investigators. These house common tools such as clinical analyzers, plate readers, real-time PCR, a NanoPro IEF instrument, an RNA quality analyzer, a gel dock system, and a fluorescent microscope. An additional room contains a freeze dryer, various centrifuges, a QTOF LC GC MS system, and both analytical and preparative HPLCs. Other specialized areas and laboratories contain an LC-MS for lipidomics, UPLC, GC, and additional centrifuges. We also provide bioinformatics capabilities with support from our information technology and communications and media services departments. Preclinical investigations provide data on the potential health benefits of food products. These studies examine how foods or food components help prevent or manage disease. Translating these findings to humans is achieved through clinical trials at the I.H. Asper Clinical Research Institute. The CCARM clinical staff work from offices near the 3rd floor waiting room. This area includes a kitchen for reheating food items to be tested on site. CCARM also maintains freezer space to store prepared foods for participants to take home. Study coordinators meet participants in private exam rooms. Specific rooms are dedicated to obtaining and processing blood samples. Others contain specialized equipment for assessing body composition, metabolic rate, and blood vessel health. The research continuum at CCARM allows ideas to be tested for clinical relevance. This work supports the commercialization of products with significant health and economic impacts. This approach is possible through a network of partners, including growers, processors, and various agricultural companies. Food shapes our lives and our health. Chronic disease is increasing globally. It is vital to study how beneficial food products can be integrated into our diets to combat these conditions. The foods investigated by CCARM are grown by Canadian farmers. Supporting these products can reduce healthcare costs over time and increase sustainable economic activity in the agricultural sector.